Wait, hold on a second. So, me and Annabelle found a list of words where... What? Excuse me. I know. Hold on. That's your favorite one. That's the one you're gonna do last. Okay, we'll save that one.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. So we're practicing our R sounds, right? Because we want to get better at our sounds. Because we're 4 years old, and it's a little developmental, but we want to work on it. So we're just going to do it for purposes of science and objective data. Come here. Wait! I gotta do something with Bella. Are you ready? So repeat these following words. Number 1. And do it nice and loud so I can hear you. Racer.
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 Eraser.
Eraser.
Red.
Red.
Nice and loud. Red.
Red.
Can you put your tongue up a little higher? Red.
Red.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Ricotta.
Ricotta.
Rigatoni.
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 Tony.
Tony.
Rica.
Riga.
Rigatoni.
Rigatoni.
Really?
Really?
Really.
Really?
Wrong.
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 Say Jimmy wrong.
Jimmy Wong.
Jimmy Wong. Got it. Willy Wonka?
What?
Come on, you can know that one. It's easy.
Willy Wonka.
Whoa, say it together. Say the whole thing. Nice and loud. Willy Wonka.
Wonka.
Willy Wonka is really wrong. Go.
Willy Wonka is really wrong.
No, come on, but I gotta see your lips. Say Willy Wonka is really wrong. Go.
Willy Wonka is really wrong.
Jesus, now we're losing our spice. I don't know. Say Riccione.
Riccione.
See, that sounds good. Say Riccione.
Riccione.
Okay, I say Ricatal. Come on, you're in my face. Say Ricatal.
Ricatal.
What?
Ricatal.
That's really horrible. And finally, Ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
All right. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Say ciao, Karina.
Ciao.
And can you say Ricatal, Karina?
Ricatal.
Can you say Riccione?
Riccione.
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 Got it. We're good. Ciao.